The Axis A1001 Network Door Controller is an open and flexible solution for access management. A traditional system uses a central control unit with separate cabling to each accessory at every door. With Axis A1001, units are positioned by each door to independently handle all access control. Through the connection to an existing IP network, the units can exchange information and are easily managed from any single point in the network. An Axis A1001 can operate with full functionality in standalone mode, but pairing allows controllers to share information and serve as backup for each other. It also simplifies administration of the entire access control system. Let's take a closer look at the controller. Each unit features color-coded I/O ports, supporting card readers, locks, and door monitors. Several generic ports are also available for interfacing with additional equipment. Since a single unit has the capability to control 2 readers and 2 locks, it can control up to 2 doors. The built-in support for Power over Ethernet means that only one cable is needed for both power and network communication. No software installation is required to manage the system. Instead, a web browser is used to reach the web-based Access Entry Manager for each unit. The Axis A1001 supports a wide range of peripheral equipment. To assist you in setting up your doors, there is a hardware configuration wizard. Simply select the properties that apply to your door's access control setup. To facilitate the connecting of hardware, a printable pinout guide is provided. This guide is customized for your setup, making it easy and intuitive to connect the wires. You can verify your connection using the web interface. When all units have been installed and paired, it's time to configure access management. Access Entry Manager comes with 3 predefined commonly used schedules. You can also easily define your own schedules. The calendar view displays the settings you've made. Access rights can be granted or denied on group level. A door can have more than one identification type, for example, requiring both card and PIN outside office hours. When adding users to your system, the card ID can easily be retrieved from one of your readers. Valid dates are optional. Drag each user to the relevant group along with doors and schedules to determine where and when access will be granted. Alarms and events can be configured on controller level or system-wide level. Triggered alarms and events are listed in the logs. The Open Standards interface of the controller enables integration with IP cameras and other systems, as well as third-party software. Axis A1001's scalability and ease of use makes it suitable for smaller businesses that are looking for an affordable and future-proof solution.